Hey YouTube, just an update on the 68 Fastback project. I'm looking at doing the sandblasting for the chassis first week in January, so I'm trying to stay productive and moving forward. So I tore down the rear fold down seat assembly and wanted to have a good inspection of all the sheet metal and see how things looked, and overall things look pretty good. The base was rough. I didn't like the look of it, so I had a 70, which is right here. This was in better shape, so a lot happier with that. And we're gonna get these sandblasted, late sandblast and satin black finish on it. I'm gonna order up a hardware kit, the trim, all the bright work for this was in rough shape. They all are. If you've had originals that are in good shape, you're pretty lucky. They were all rusted and pitted, so I got to get new pieces, and that is my TMI deluxe rear seat upholstery in that box. I need to get the foam. This is what I tore apart, and not in great shape, so no big surprise. I'm going to pick up some foam and the bright work, the trim, and try and get these things restored, and hopefully get this guy sandblasted first week in January. I've got scheduled somebody to come out, and we're going to pull it out and get the sheet metal all cleaned up, and hopefully get it epoxied. And I've got the epoxy right here. It's in this guy. So yeah, try to start getting all the stuff collected. So trying to stay productive and moving forward, and I thought this would be a good thing to get done. Anyway, hope everyone's well. You guys have a great week. Thanks.